Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Vadim and I'm a beginner day trader. I trade in a cash account, no leverage, and today is day number 73 of this small account challenge. Today my account is up by $59.06 or 2.59%. An awesome green day, great. So today I noticed that we didn't have any strong stocks. Everything that we had on the scanner popped up a lot at 4 o'clock in the morning and then sold off, and almost everything was below VWAP. So today I decided to slow down and instead of jumping with 100 shares each time, I reduced my share size to 25. So if I thought something is good, I would be able to add another 25. So in the beginning of trading, my max share size was 50 shares. So today I was a disciplined trader and I'm really proud of it. The only problem that I had today is I overtraded. So I took 19 trades today and I started doing something that I want to talk about as I described in my today's post. So this is my new calendar, and as you can see, here's the Sundays, here are Saturdays, and on I started this new calendar on 22nd of this month, and as you can see, 3 green X is great, you're doing great, and 3V is bad. So what I include here, so 3 of my biggest problems. So one of the problem is averaging down on the position. The second one is holding a loser for more than 10 minutes, and my metrics in my trader view showing that if I'm holding a losing trade for more than 10 minutes, it's gonna just increase my loss over time. So, and the next one was holding a loser for more than 20 cents. So, as you can see today, I have 3 green X's, and that's great. And I had only one trade that I decided anyway include as an X, holding losing for less than 20 for more than 20 cents I put, but actually on one of the trades I was holding and I sold it with 0.2076 cents. So I'm still considering this trade as a good losing trade, and I'm including holding a loser as an X for today's trading. So this is a calendar, and you know, as you can see, on Monday I was holding a loser for more than 20 cents. I had only 2 X's, and yesterday was pretty bad because I was averaging down yesterday and I was holding a loser for more than 20 cents. So my per share was more than 20 cents. I was down per share. So this is my new calendar. I'm planning to follow each day and include how I'm doing, just to track my bad habits in this calendar. So right now, guys, I'm gonna show you my trades in a trader view. As you can see, today I took 19 trades and I'm up by $59.06. It puts me up $371.36 on this week, and we have 2 days left, 2 trading days. Awesome. So I'm not trying to be a hero, I'm not trying to break this record. This was a record-breaking week for me, $436.55. Instead, I wanna reduce my share size as I did today, and try to slow down a bit, because I don't want to, the worst thing I can do is mess up this month, that I already messed up on 18th a lot, and now I'm just trying to fix this huge mistake that I did. So as you can see, it puts me today $173.48 green on the month of September, which is pretty good, and my daily goal will be just $50 a day on 25th, 26th, 29th, 30th. So this is going to be my daily goal for the rest of the September. So let me show you my trades. As you can see, the first stock I decided to trade was a zone. This is a stock that popped up at 4 o'clock in the morning, was climbing higher. I thought it's gonna go to the high of the day. It didn't do it, and I sold with $1.99 loss. Then I started trading JZXN that popped up. I think it was a Chinese stock. Here I was trading with 25 shares, and I think at this point I was up like $4 a share. Then as you can see, I took this trade and lost $3 on it. Then I took another trade, lost $1.97 on it. Then I took 50 shares and lost $10.38, or 0.2076 cents. Almost 21 cents, but it's still under 21 cents, and that's why, as I said, I included this trade as a good losing trade. So CLPT, I bought 10 shares of it when it was selling off, and I bought a dip, sold immediately with 33 cents per share of profit. Awesome. Then I noticed GZXN started climbing through VWAP. It actually broke VWAP like crazy and moved to the high of the day. So I bought first 100 shares. When it was squeezing high, I added another 50 shares, then another 50 shares. So I was with 200 shares on this position, and I was able to make $61.58. And if you remember, I was down around $11 with some change on this position. So it put me around $50 on a day on GZXN. Then EVDA popped up. Didn't know what was going on. High of the day scanner was showing that EVDA was moving higher, but I didn't see it. And when you're gonna be watching my recap, you'll see what was happening. So then I tried to trade GZXN again. It was a nice trade. Made $4.62 on 25 shares. Then I made $2, and here was a problem, because GZXN was around $2.95 dollar level in this area, and I was trying to time a break of $3. As you can see here, I lost $1, $3, $6, $9, $10. So here on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades in a row, I lost $10. So when it finally moved higher, I jumped with 50 shares, and I was able to make $12. And even though I had over $400 left on my account, I decided to stop trading, because this was a not good example of, of my today's trading. So I decided to stop. I'm glad I did, because finishing my day green is always awesome, and today is another green day for me. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Right now I'm gonna show you my trades in a pre-market session. Good morning, guys. On the scanner we have SHFS, currently below VWAP. But after hours it was as high. Let me check again. I had to restart my computer because the audio did not work again today. So now looks like it's working, and I checked. It is working at least on the videos on YouTube. $14.49 is the high in the pre-market, after hours, sorry. So on SHFS, and we need to break this $10.70 level. Which it couldn't break. So there was a 990. No, I think it was here 1057, and broke you up, couldn't move higher, sold off. Again, another attempt, 1049, then 1070, and then sold off. So it's not only below VWAP, it's also below 200 AMA. We have AQMS, 57% below VWAP. CYSN was also 100% before this two big jackknives. I thought it's gonna go higher. As you can see, broke double top and just sold off. So currently we have just one leading gapper, SHFS. We have also luck with fresh news, but it is 238 million share float, almost 239. CYSN just selling off. There is also a zone somewhere, also popped up before, looks like it's trying to climb higher. 434 was the high on this one. I'm gonna mark it here. 434. I don't know, I don't like this candle. This is almost $2 candle. 160. 1.6 point drop, and on this one, $1 drop. So, but looks like it's trying to squeeze to view up at least. Can it break this 285? I'm gonna buy zone, bot zone. I'm at 316. Max loss will be $5 on this one. View up at 329. Trying to sell. Don't like the stock. I'm gonna get out. When we were close to view up, you see what was happening. Just couldn't move. And that's another. It's pretty much everything is repeating. These huge drops. I'm not gonna be trading this stock. CFHs also selling off. GZXM is on the scanner moving. Chinese stock with news. UAP at 186. Squeezing higher and buying. It is moving. Nice. Uh, 268 is a 200 EMA. So we have a double top at, I know we actually broke this. 288 is the next stop. And possible move to like 465. Can it, I don't know if it can do it now. Looks like it's moving. Bought another 25 shares at 250. To 22 is a view app. Share float is 10 million. We have 4 consecutive green candles. Will we have some pullback? I'm gonna buy this pullback. I bought a pullback at 223. We'll see if it can squeeze higher. Trying to sell. But at 212. The red candle is not that big on the volume bar. We'll see if it can squeeze. $196 is 9 EMA. I'm gonna buy here. But at 214, we need to buy as close to 196 as possible. Was unable to. Trying to sell. I lost $3 on this one. MACD is still open. I'm buying. Bought 25 shares. Can we break to 13, to 9, to 10, to 11, to 12, to 12? I see we're struggling at this level. To 12 on the ask. Back to 08. MACDs might be crossing soon. Don't want to sit in the trade for a long time. We need to break 213. We couldn't break it before. Possibly now we can. I'm adding 25 shares. Bought another 25 shares for the break of UAP. I'm at 201. Till 7 on the ask, till 6, till 7, till 8. We're climbing higher till 9 on the ask. Have to break 213, there is no way around it. This stock is only 25% in a day, so not a lot of people are focusing on trading it. Maybe it's only me here. Back to 2, to 1, 199. Put a timer for 10 minutes, don't wanna sit on this one. Can we move finally higher? 203, 204 is so. This is a consolidating stock. CLPT is moving with a big share float to 26 mils. I'm selling. Trying to sell, couldn't get filled. I lost a lot that I wanted to, as the stock was going lower. I just burned cash on it. CLPT. Oh wow, look at this. Look at the squeeze on CLPT. %31 in a day. I'm gonna buy here. Trying to buy CLPT. Did not get filled. I was trying to buy on this big drop. Bought 10 shares of CLPT. GZXN is climbing higher. GZXN is moving higher. I'm gonna buy GZXN. Bought GZXN for the move to the high of the day. It's moving much higher, nice. On GZXN I'm gonna adding 50 shares on GZXN for the move to the high of the day. GZXN is 42% on a day. My average cost is $2.28. $2.26 on the ask. Nice squeeze on GZXN. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to cut it. So when it squeezed through 240, I'm gonna add another 50 shares. If it's gonna be strong, I'm adding. MACD is open on both 1 and 5 minute charts. I'm adding Trying to add another 50 shares. I'm in with 50 shares on GZXN. We need to break 240 level. 231, nice. We're moving higher. Can we squeeze through 240? 230 on the ask, 231, 232, 233. Nice, we're moving higher. I don't like that it's doing what it's doing now. It just doesn't squeeze through very fast. It's squeezing now. I'm trying to sell as it moves higher. GZXN on the scanner. I'm trying to sell. Decent trade. Don't trust this stock. You see what it's doing. 51% in a day. What is you see, this company board endorses crypto asset investment policy allowing up to 1 billion deployment. We have huge topping tails on a 5-minute chart. Now we have one. So it was a decent trade on GZXN. I didn't plan to go that heavy on this one, but I'm glad it worked out. So don't wanna overstate my welcome. That's why I got out. BKKT is moving, higher share float, expensive stock. I cannot buy it. SHFS is moving lower at 782. GZXN is another attempt to move higher. Nice, strong move. Double top again at 263. No, it's moving nicely. We need to look at 263 level. 250 ask, 255 on the ask. $253 on the ask. to 49. Lots of sellers. And look at this. Back to 204. Oh wow. Look at this move. From 201 up to like 240. Huge buyer at 12,000 at 230. Broke the level of 230. Now it's 227. So low on this candle was 203. This is an ugly 5-minute short, but you know, at least we have a green candle. No, it's actually almost equal. 3.116. No, the green candle is bigger. I thought GZXN was already done on a day after it was, you know, moving around 175. Then I didn't see it at all on top gapper scanner, and you know, I just forgot about it until I saw that it's climbing on the scanner. Didn't hit the scanner yet. Now we have 3 topping tails on 5-minute chart, big topping tail here on 1-minute chart, another topping tail, 263 is the double top. And you see we broke up to 273, but it couldn't hold, it was false breakout, and back down to like 203. VWAP at 211. We have some buyers are buying stock back up, especially on this candle from 203 to 254. $12 million volume today, 10 million share float. MACD is crossing on 1 minute chart. It's actually, it's already negative. And looks like it's going down. EVDA is on the scanner. $236 is 200 EMA. 17% on a day. I don't understand. It's showing that it's moving higher, but I don't see that it is moving higher. Don't get it. What's happening? I don't understand. LSC is also moving higher. VDA with news. I'm gonna buy for the break of VWAP. Trying to buy. Bought for the break of VWAP. 195. My max loss will be $5 on this trade. Can it move higher? Yes, it moves higher. I'm trying to sell. Okay. Trying to move. Sold it. Don't like how it moved. MACD is still open, but we had two big red candles on volume bar. Lots of sellers. GZXN moving higher, looks like. Yeah, it moving higher, GZXN. Climbing again. $52% on a day. I'm gonna buy this pullback. Bought a pullback on GZXN and as moves higher, I'm selling. Oh wow, look at the move on GZXN. I'm buying 25 shares on GZXN. It moves higher, I'm trying to sell. Trying to sell GZXN. Wow, that was a squeeze. BBRI moving. But I want to focus on GZXN 83% on a day. Will we have any pullbacks? Looking at 10-second chart. Looks like that's a pullback. No. Moving lower, I'm selling. Trying to time move higher on GZXN. I'm looking at 10-second chart. Can we move higher? Or it was already? No. Lost the second time. Wanna buy it now, but not sure. GZXN, looking at 10-second chart. I'm buying. Trying to buy GZXN. Can it squeeze higher? Now it's dropping. Come on. Very, very difficult on 10-second chart. You either buy and hold, buying. Now I'm buying. Trying to buy. Bought 25 shares on GZXN for the move higher through $3. $2.94 is my average cost. Looks like I'm just losing money on it. MACD is open. We have support at 263 now. Is it gonna hold this support at 263? I'm gonna buy here. Bought 25 shares. We'll see if we can hold. We need to break 285, 278, 281, 282. We need to break it. We cannot. 282. I'm adding, trying to add 25 shares, another 25 shares for the move higher. I'm selling. So I'm not touching GZXN. I was already up 56 and lost like $10 on it. Plus we got another top and tail and just not good. I think I'm gonna walk away right now. I have cash left, but you know what I see right now, it's not good. So finishing my day. This is not a huge green day, but still a green day. Awesome. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And remember, trading is risky and my today's results are not typical because most of the day traders lose money in the stock market. So if you want to learn how to trade, first find your strategy, learn the strategy in simulator before putting real money on the line. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you tomorrow.